Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme 7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our wallet app, and here we have to open this add to wallet option. Here we can choose what we want to add to our wallet, and we want to add a loyalty card. Here we have some popular nearby loyalty cards, and I'm gonna use, for example, this one, Sheets. So we can scan our loyalty card code with our camera, or we can enter manually ID of our loyalty card. And now all we have to do is just click add to wallet. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!